So to begin the assembly of the interior of the car, we went ahead and painted the footwells and the bases of the for the seat so that I could put in the steering column and the emergency brake lever and get that installed. After the assembly of the front end, it turned out that the tie rod ends that came with the car were for a later model MG Midget and didn't accept the older style tie rod ends, which were actually a larger tie rod end. The decision was either to buy new tie rod ends or revamp the ones that I had. And being that they were just needing to be reamed out, I went ahead and bought a reamer and reamed them out for the original tie rod ends that fit the steering gear and everything else. Worked out great, and they fit fine, and happy with the results. Did install the master cylinder with the clutch line and the brake line attached. I am waiting for the pivot bolt for the brake pedals and the clutch pedal, but that comes in soon, and then we'll be able to get that taken care of. Was able to install the generator on the engine. That has been rebuilt about 2 years ago. The new water pump, the fan, of course, the exhaust pipe I had bent at Ammerman's in Boise to match the old one, so that one fits really well, and reinstall the carburetors.